Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you the basics of algebra. Here's the thing. Math, like anything, is just a game. Whether you play football, baseball, basketball, cheerleading, you know it's all about the rules to the game, and you know once you master the rules of the game, then you master the game. So I'm gonna hop right into it. Here's what we're gonna do. In algebra, we have something called a variable. The variable is just the unknown. We normally represent the variable with the letter X. Okay. Don't get it twisted. Don't be mistaken. Some teachers might throw in another variable to try to trick you up or make sure you learn it. So you might see X as the variable. You can see Y. You can see Z. You can see A, B, C. It doesn't matter. The idea is that the variable is what we don't know, is what we want to solve for, and what we want to find. So we're going to use X for now because X is what's most commonly used. So let's do a sample problem. Let's say we have X plus 2 equals 3. So you can look at this more than likely and you can say, okay, what do I add to 2 that will equal 3? Most of you probably know if you add 1 to 2 it's equal to 3, but you know your teacher, your professor, they're not going to take that as an answer. So we got to solve this problem. The way we solve it, the idea is we want to get the variable all alone and by itself. So what you want to do is you want to subtract whatever number is next to the X from both sides. So in this case it's a 2. We're going to subtract 2 and 2 on both sides. So now we have X plus 0 equal to 1. So that's the same thing as X equals to 1. Simple enough, right? But now check this out. There's an extra step in here that we can kind of throw away, you know, to make it easier for us. So the way I think about it, the cool way to do it is I just ask myself, I say, what's the quickest way we can get X all by itself? So let's do the problem the way I would do the problem, not the way it would be taught in school. Given the same problem, my idea is, okay, the rules to this game is if you want to get X all by itself, you have to figure out what it would take to get 2 to the other side. So here's a trick I use. Anytime you have a number added, you can get rid of it by subtracting it from the other side, but just moving it over and changing whatever symbol it is. So if it's plus, it should be minus. If it's minus, it should be plus. So watch this trick. We can solve this in pretty much one step. X is now equal to 3 minus 2. So we know X is equal to 1. All we did, just move the number to the other side and change the sign. That's the secret. That's the secret to solving these problems quickly and correctly. So let's try this. Let's try another problem. Say we have X minus 2 is equal to 3. How would you solve that? Okay? Given the way I just taught you how to move the number to the other side of the equal sign and change the sign, this is a simple problem for us. So X is equal to 3 plus 2. We just move the number to the other side and we change the sign. So X is equal to 5. That was simple. Alright? Now let's change the variable. Keep in mind, if a variable is changed, doesn't make a difference. A variable is just the unknown. So say if you have P plus 2 equals 3. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to move the number to the other side and change the sign. P is equal to 3 minus 2. So P is equal to 1. Very simple concept. Hopefully everyone understands. If you don't understand, leave me a message in the comments. You know, let me know and I can go back over it. Next step, what we're going to do, my next video, I'm going to show you how to actually change it when the number's being multiplied or divided. Same concept, but we're going to do some examples to get you more familiar with it. Keep in mind, this is Algebra Basics. We want to take it really slow, make sure everyone's keeping up with us. We'll get any questions you may have answered. So hopefully this was helpful, and please leave your comments with feedback, and I'll try to do better in the next video, and we're going to make this happen. You can get A's on all your tests, and it's going to be all good. This is That Cool Math Guy, and I'm signing out.